Hey gang, this is show off time. Look what the wife bought at the grocery outlet for less than $15.
Hello, hello.
And it goes,
Way loud.
and there's another function. Yeah. You imagine how annoying you can be to your neighbors with one of these for less than $20?
I said stop doing that in your backyard. It's the middle of the night.
Ah, the stuff they make. I hope to God there isn't a fire department where this is their bullhorn.
Get your butt up and help me!
And I thought she couldn't get any louder.
Oh, I can get louder than this. It goes way up, see?
Get up!
We thought we'd drive Christy if we got two of them.
I
Me
got
at
her
one end of
crazy.
the house, her at the other end of the house. Darling!
Yes,
Hey,
and check this out, people.